What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison. No, you're not seeing double. There's two Dale Jr. kits here. Picked this one up at auction for super cheap. The NASCAR kits sell for really inexpensively. I mean, I don't want to put a number on it, but I got all four of these kits for, I don't know, probably under $50. Some of them were like, that one was like 10. This one was 12. These two were, I think, 12 a piece, something like that. And I just picked up this one off of Facebook Marketplace for under $20. So I've got a little bit of a NASCAR collection going on here. And you know, that I've got two of these. I just recently got a printer and some decal paper, and I've been experimenting with printing decals. I scanned and printed out a set of these. They came out really nice, so I need to find some decals for this guy because it doesn't have any. So I'll need to find something for that and find a set for one of these cars. First of all, the biggest difference is these four are 124th and this one, no, excuse me. These four are 124th and this one is 125th. So it's going to be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. I'll just park it a little further away than the rest of them. So I decided to go through these two, open them up, and see what the difference is between the Revell and the AMT Erdl. I didn't look at dates or when they were made, but you can kind of see a chronological order here. There's a monogram, there's a AMT Erdl, the Revell monogram, Revell, and then Revell. So I don't really know much about when the history changed names or owners or whatever, but don't really care. I'm just gonna pop them open and see what's inside. Do a little side-by-side comparison. Which one, the box is a little damaged, but you know, I don't care. I don't collect the boxes. I don't keep the boxes. We'll, ooh, it's kind of stuck. It's tight. Oh, it's smashed. It's been smashed. And then, see this guy. I did see right away looking at it that it comes with a little guy, a little junior, extra junior. But Dad, I want to be just like you. So let's get these lids off to the side here. Might as well pull these out, get them out of the way, make some room, clear the decks, as it were. And we'll just do like I do, flip them and dump them. These are the manuals, decals. Oh, yay, map style. Ew, lovely. That's a big old piece of. Actually, these are cool because you can work off of them. You put it down on your mat and just work right on the instruction sheet. Looks pretty clean. Looks pretty detailed. The decals look nice. They look like they're in good shape. I'll probably have to find a different livery for one of them, obviously, like I said. So, you know, I can find something online, scan it, print it. But I'll use all of those, all of that stuff. Oh, obviously not the big three, but I can cut around that. I can fix it. So, side by side, let's see. Yep, this is the typical Revell style manual, the book style. You know, drawings look the same. Oh yeah, look, it does come with a little guy, a little junior. And the decals are massive, big old sheet. Seat belts. Okay, cool. Those don't have the 3 behind them, or the E or whatever, backwards 3. So I will be scanning those and putting them in the folder, putting them in the collection that I'm building. More decal locations. Oh, neat. It's got tire OEM decal, looks like. See if I can find that on here. Yep, there they are. Oh, very cool. I'm going to print out a bunch of those for my tire rack display thing I've got going. Very cool. Let's do that in a little bit. Scan and print some decals. So, go back to your home. Go back to your home. Ooh, this might take a little longer than I anticipated. The unboxing comparison words. They're good at wording. Let's, look at the bodies outside of the bags and kind of peek at the bags. This one has a bag of bags. There's one bag. Open that bag up and more bags. Wow, you can tell already it's way different size. Way. Ow, just dropped my knife on my toe. Who says 124th and 125th aren't that much difference? Look at that. Look at that nose rim. Good on this camera. Huge. Huge difference. Wow, that thing is massive. Some nice, good looking NASCAR tires. And there's a little guy, a little junior. That'll go with the other figurines that I have. I guess I need to start painting them. I'm going to pick my knife up off the floor. Safety first. Metal axles in this guy. Oh, okay. The parts are in that bag, so we'll pull them out and take a look at them. Oh, nice. Look at the clear parts already have the safety stuff in the. I don't see them in this one. Wait, I don't see any clears at all. Wait a second. Oh, there they are. Yep, just throwing stuff everywhere. Yeah, see, those are not colored in. That's one big difference. Those are kind of a pain to color. Get that Sharpie in there and hold a steady line. It can be done, but that is just so much nicer. It looks so much better. We'll glance really quick at the stuff inside. Cages, suspension, cages. What's that? Oh, wow. These are rubbery. They're squishy like tires would be. Oh, very cool. Hoses that are more rubbery than just hard plastic painted black. And even the net. You see that? Oh, that's super bitchin'. Wow, I might have to buy more Revell NASCAR kits. Pretty standard, plastic parts, trees. Oh, very nice seat setup with the Hans device, head and neck restraints, head and neck safety, head and neck. I can't remember what that stands for. Been a long time since I watched any NASCAR. I used to back in the day, back when Sterling Marlin was a contender. Remember him in the 40 Coors Light car? Anybody remember the race where he was in first place? There was like 2 laps to go, and for whatever reason, black flag, stop traffic on the track, and he was in first. It would have been a restart, and then we went around and won the race. But he got out of his car to do a repair, and it put him at the back of the pack. That's not why I stopped watching. I stopped watching it about the time that they did a bunch of rule changes, and it just got weird. Oh, neat! Look at the headers have a wrap on them, so I'll easy off those and then paint them up chrome and blue those and then paint those like a gray so they look like actual header wrap. That's pretty neat. Tires look cool. Somebody had mentioned to me that the NASCAR kits are a great place for tires, and he was not wrong. Not wrong at all. So we'll crack into this one too, and safety first. Not drop it on your toe. Note to self, don't drop your switchblade on your toe. Again, pretty standard. Motor house, suspension parts. You know, I don't see anything completely different. I have noticed this in another NASCAR kit that I opened. I can't remember which one. I think it was the Harvick car, where the exhaust dumps kind of are molded together and go out the side. Not sure how I feel about that. I guess I'm going to start making a NASCAR scene. I don't know. Yeah, and then the seat, completely different than the Dale. I guess this is a Dale. The one with the cams. Completely different design. Like that one's got, not sure what those are on the sides. Fuel cell. Pretty cool. You know, they look like they've got some neat details, like they'll build it pretty nicely. And that's about it for the comparison. I know it wasn't in-depth comparison, but I was just kind of excited to open them up. I wanted to see the little figurine guy, to be honest with you. And if they had any other cool extras, which, you know, the seat is cool. Here, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. I think it's this Snickers car that does not have the Snickers decals. It instead has Kodak decals that are, those are pretty funky. I'll scan them and run them through Photoshop, see if I can't clean that up a little bit. Scan them and reprint them. I didn't notice that when I bought them at the auction. The guy, you know, gave me a deal on it because it's not what it says it is. But I did notice in this kit, oh, look at that. Little fuel tank. That's going to be cool in the diorama stuff. As you can see, I have not opened this one up yet. Just kind of stuffed in the pile. I'm starting to feel like a hoarder. I've got more models in my stash that are unbuilt, and I need to start building. But there you go. Just wanted to do a quick comparison, just because they were both Dale kits. But look at that difference. Look at that size difference. Just, yeah. So this one I have to get parked way far away on a different shelf or something. So not sure what I'm going to do about the livery. I'll make one of them, obviously, the factory. Oh wow, look how pronounced those hood or roof rails are. The arrow. You see that? See how much bigger those are? That's about the time they started doing weird changes too. The bodies, like when the Toyota showed up, and everything got strange. So, that does it for the side-by-side comparison of the two Dales. The two Dales. over yonder, over Hill and Dale, Dale Earnhardt Jr. I'm just making up words now. Thanks for watching. That's all.